What's going on, guys? The Garage Giant here. Just wanted to bring you guys another quick video on how to replace the engine oil for your Ford Explorer ST. It's been a long time coming. Let's get into it. In order to remove the drain plug, you do have to lift up on both sides of the clamp that holds the drain plug in place. I did break one of the clamps there for the oil drain plug, but regardless, it is recommended that you replace the oil drain plug for every oil change that you complete. While the oil is draining below, I'm going to use a 27mm socket to unscrew the oil filter cap to change the filter. This oil filter cap does have two large O-rings as well as one small one. I was fighting with the smaller one for a while here, so I sped up the clip, but I eventually got it off. For this filter, I did go with the manufacturer recommended Motorcraft part number FL2062A. The box contains the filter as well as the 3 O-rings needed for installation. When installing the new oil filter, you should hear a click indicating that the oil filter is in place. When tightening the oil filter cap, just make sure that it's snug. You don't want to put too much muscle on it, as you might cause some damage. For the oil drain plug, I did go with the OEM Ford part number KX6Z6730B. As a side note, all of these parts were purchased on Amazon, but you should be able to go to your local auto part retailer and purchase any of these products. For this oil change, I did go with the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30 Premium Full Synthetic Blend. This is actually my first time using the Restore and Protect. I've heard really good things about this product here. It's supposed to bring your engine back to factory clean, which increases the performance and the lifespan of your engine. This Ford Explorer does require 6 quarts of oil. After you completed the oil change, make sure that you reset the oil life in the settings. That about wraps it up for changing your oil for Ford Explorer ST. If you've enjoyed this video, just go ahead and like, subscribe, drop a comment down below as well what you think my next video should be of.